Hello guys, assalamu alaikum, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm gonna show you how can easily install the Java in your Windows operating system and how to easily run here any Java code. Okay, so let's start it. So first of all you need to open your favorite browser and search for Java JDK, and as you can see you need to visit the first link which is appear here, which is from www.oracle.com. Just click on it, and once you click on it, it will show you this kind of web page. And whereas you can see at the time making this video, Java 21 or JDK Development Kit 21.0.2 is the latest one. Okay, so now for download this you need to scroll down, and here you find all of the option which is for Linux, for Mac OS and Windows. We need to go to the Windows. From here you need to download the x64 installer. Okay, just click on this link. After click on it, it will start the download, as you can see here. And once our download is complete, here is our JDK 21 exe file. Okay, so simply just double click on it to install it. So once you click on it, it will show you this kind of installation wizard where it say welcome to installation wizard for Java SC development kit. Okay, so here you just click on the next option, and after that it will show you the installation destination folder where our Java development kit will be installed. If you want you can change it, but I set it as by default and click on the next, and after that it will start the installation. And as you can see our installation is complete, so just simply click on the close. So now we need to set the environment variable path so that we can easily access the Java all features. Okay, so for doing this you need to go to the file explorer and go to the local disk C, then go to the program files and go to the Java, and here you find the Java 21 folder. Just click on it, and inside the Java 21 you can find the bin folder. So you need to go to the bin folder and copy the full path of this bin folder. Okay, then you need to go to the search bar and search for environment and click on the edit the system environment variables. Okay, so once you click on it, it will show you the system properties. From here you need to go to the environment variables, and inside the environment variables you need to go to the system variables and go to the path and click on the edit, and then you need to go to the new to create here new path and paste it here the bin folder path. Okay, so our path is set here. So now just click on OK and click here new to create here a new system variables, and write here your variable name. I just write here Java home and paste it here this path which we are copy, but here we need to remove the bin folder path from this full path. Okay, then click here OK and again click on OK and also again OK. So we are successfully set our environment variable path. So now for verify the installation, you need to again go to the search bar and search for CMD and press enter. And once our command prompt is open, simply just write here Java space hyphen hyphen version and press enter. And as you can see, here is our Java version which is 21.0.2. That means our Java 21.0.2 is successfully installed. So for run any Java code, you need to create here a folder. I just name it Java. You can give here whatever you can want. And inside the folder, you just create here a new text document from here. I just name it Hello World. You can also give here whatever you can want. And as you can see here, you can see the file name extension, which is at now is txt format. That means the text format. So now we need to change our file name extension to Java so that we can write here our Java program. Then we just open this file with our notepad. So here I just write here simple hello world program. If you want, you can write here any kind of program which you want to execute with our Java. Okay. So after write the program, you just save this file from here. So for run this file, you just go to the folder path
and clear the folder path and just write here cmd
and click on enter, so that our command prompt is open this folder. Okay, and simply just write here java c.
and your file name, which is helloworld.java, and press enter. And once you're doing this, it will automatically generate a hello world class in our this folder. Okay,
And for seeing the output, you just write here java and your class name only. And as you can see, here is our hello world output. Okay,
so I hopefully guys you properly understand how can easily install the java in your windows operating system and how to easily run here any java code. Okay, so if you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, comment and share. And if you like this type of video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon. And I will see you guys in this next one, inshallah. Thank you so much.